olunaku olwaleero ababaka Allan Sewanyana n'omukulu Ssegirinya Muhammad babadde bateekayo okusaba kwabwe mu mbeera y'okuba ate nga bafuna beyiro basobole okuba ate nga beeyimirwa. Olunaku olwaleero bisobodde okuba ate nga byongezeddwayo mu mbeera nga basobodde okuba ate nga etambula wano wesobodde okuba ate nga tumanyira nti omukulu Allan Sewanyana akyakumirwa mu kkomera Ekigo ate nga omukulu Ssegirinya Muhammad ye ali mu kkomera Ruzira mu Maction Bay olunaku olwaleero. Wabula omukulu Ssegirinya asobodde okuba ate nga alaga eggwanga lyonna n'ebifaananyi nga basobodde okuba ate nga obiraba ng'alaga ekigere nti kivundira mu kkomera era nga omulamuzi omukulu Lawrence Tweyanze asobodde okuba ate nga ateekayo ennaku z'omwezi nga 25 ogw'Oktoba okuba ate nga awulirako okusaba kw'ababaka bano. Ebimu ku ebyo ebisobodde okuba ate nga bigenda mu kkooti sooka obeere nga obiwulirizaako naye nga yemu ku eyo embeera bwesobodde okuba ate nga etambula okuvaako mu kkooti mu kibuga Masaka. Ababaka Allan Sewanyana aziddwayo Ekigo, omukulu Ssegirinya abaddeyo ku Maction Bay Ruzira. Babadde mu nkola ya Zoom wadde nga mu kusooka enteekateeka eno yasoose n'egootaanamu olw'embeera nti ebyuma bikalimagezi ndowooza oba yabadde enkuba oba ki naye nga yasobodde okuba ate nga byateredde naye nga enteekateeka etambudde bweti nga bw'ogiraba.
Produce another shoot if you have. I don't want to rule later in my ruling that
I have quite a number of them.
Those who have requirements, please.
I have Bagonza Thomas.
So this one is from the record is no longer your surety. Is that
Most obliged by your history.
so should your number 3 surety is who?
Bagonza Thomas. Here are these particulars. He's a counselor.
How old is he, brother?
He's 29 years old.
Counselor where?
One day bikalumbye.
Copy of the national ID.
National ID is there, and the case is here.
National ID, I don't see it. That is the one I'm interested in. Photocopies of the documents, can they provide them to the state for his scrutiny?
Photocopies, yes.
First bring those for the court and then later to the state. He's 29 years old, counselor where?
Counselor at Kawepe Division, representing Ebya Parish.
Ebya Parish?
Yes, in Kampala City. His telephone contact my road is 0704 829
Yeah.
109.
Can you use only 5 minutes to submit on the law because
I'll exactly do that.
you do not need to be labor. Everything is known about today.
Most of that,
Simply go to show how your clients qualify to get paid.
my Lord, it is settled law now that one does not need to prove exceptional circumstances to qualify for pay, even in capital offenses. It's now settled. And the difference is made to a number of authorities, my lord. In the decision of your sister here, Lady Justice Victoria Nachem to Katamba, the one we are earlier on referred to in this particular matter, Honorable Allan Sewanyana and Ssegirinya versus Uganda. A number of authorities were cited in support of that principle, that decision, including, my lord, the one of Foundation for Human Rights Initiative versus Attorney General. They are all cited here, my lord, which is, I think, the longest case on this. It's a constitutional matter. It was a constitutional court decision which pronounced itself on, settled that matter. And in the decision of Allan Sewanyana, my lord, constitutional reference number 20 of 2005, copies I have here, my lord, for emphasis sake here, the Court of Appeal, rather the Constitutional Court, I'm sorry, my lord. I had this to say that
I need to go to another ground, another submission.
This obliged, my lord. I would also make reference, my lord, to the decision of Abata Yasin.
We don't need to go. We don't need many. So
Obliged, my lord.
let me understand you clearly. So on this one, you are submitting on no need of proving exceptional circumstances, and the two cases are enough.
Much obliged, my lord. My lord, the other point is that in exercising your discretion in this matter, my lord, the authorities are to the effect that court should lean towards or in favor of the accused person, the applicant, and protecting the liberty of the accused person, as long as the interests of justice will not be prejudiced. That is the guiding principle. Reason, civil liberties are guaranteed under Article 23 of the Constitution, and that they should be accorded the sanctity that they deserve in matters of this nature, where the accused persons are still treated as being innocent until proved otherwise. That is the gist of the decision in Ebya and a couple of others. And lastly, my lord, in the earlier decision ruling of Justice Victoria Katamba on page 12, one of the factors she considered in granting bail,
Page number what?
page 12 of that particular ruling, in considering this application, specifically number 8, absence of any information from the respondent, that is Uganda, the state, that there are other charges pending against the applicants. My lord, this ruling was on 20th of September, and the state did not disclose to court that there were any other pending charges against the accused persons, the applicants. So it came as a surprise and shock. Again, they were arrested and brought here. Immediately after they are released. Did they commit the offense in between? No, certainly no, because they were in custody. There's no way they could have committed any other offense between 20th and 23rd when they were arrested. So if indeed the state had those facts that there was another pending charge, what stopped them from amending the charge sheet and adding it onto the earlier return of charges they had referred against their person? Why did they even disclose that material fact to court? We humbly invite this honorable court not to condone that kind of a gratuitous abuse of the due process of law and abuse of court process. And we invite you to consider that fact as very strong ground for exercising your discretion in favor of the applicants. We therefore pray that, my Lord, in the event that you are persuaded to grant them bail, and since earlier on I submitted that this offense is inextricably intertwined with the earlier ones, that the conditions earlier on set by your sister Victoria be the same, or be the ones actually in this particular case, especially in regards to the issue of cash, that they are not required to pay again more money, because my Lord, they paid the 20 million and they were never released. So that money is still there, the 20 million already paid. So in the event that you are convinced, my Lord, as we do pray, we pray that you be pleased, you don't order that you pay additional costs to that they are already paid. We do so, my Lord. State.
Wait, please, my Lord. We have replied, my Lord, to my senior brother's submission. The respondent, my Lord, opposes the application. And if it pleases you, my Lord, we shall also go in the order of the grounds of error in order to be a bit more. I note,
my Lord, I'm really sorry to interfere with my I see for the first applicant raised that is kind, I don't know what's about.
That is who?
Allan Sewanyana.
Okay. We see the hand of Allan Sewanyana. What is it?
I don't know allow this to go because the lower part I have to make use of
We can't hear you properly.
He was praying that he be permitted to sit.
Has he been standing all along?
Yeah, he's been standing.
Let him sit. You can sit. As it is sorted.
most obliged, my Lord. My Lord, but before I start on that, I just wish to say one thing. That my senior brother alluded to the fact that he had 10 grounds of.
Don't go into
Most
kindly.
obliged, my Lord.
First, let's go together.
Most obliged.
You had started well and we continue doing well.
Most obliged, my lord. It's okay.
He made your work simple by bringing a 9. So reply one by one, beginning with the first one.
Most obliged, my lord. My lord, on the first ground of his application, my lord, that your places are available before this honorable court, we do agree.
So you concede to number
We
one.
concede to we concede the fact that this court has the powers to grant this application.
Number 2.
My lord, on ground number 2, our submission is that bail is not granted depending on the status.
Number 2 was what?
Say that applicants are responsible people,
Okay.
they are MPs, and therefore
And your submission, your response is that?
is that the bail application, the constitutional provisions do not discriminate. They treat each and every person equal. The law treats everyone equal before the law. So the mere fact that they are MPs is not a prerequisite to be granted bail.
Yeah.
My lord, you also mentioned the third ground, that is that the applicants are law-abiding citizens. My lord, our submission is that merely being the mere fact that they have charges against them is not prima facie that they are law-abiding citizens. Yes, I'm submitting, my lord. So it can't be a ground for grant of bail. The most important thing is for court to be sure that
It was his submission. What is your reply?
Our reply, my lord, is that they are not law-abiding citizens.
And the reason is that?
Beg your pardon, my lord. And therefore, it cannot be backed on, my lord, by this court to grant the applicant's bail.
The statement from them is that they are law-abiding citizens, and for you are saying
They are.
they are not.
Yes,
And
my lord.
how are they not?
My lord, that submission that the mere fact that the charges against them it shows that they may not be law-abiding citizens. I'm alert to the fact that they are presumed innocent until proven guilty. But at the same time, it will be hard to assert that they are law-abiding citizens. So it cannot be a ground, my lord. This court can bank on to grant them bail.
I want to understand it clearly. Why do you think they are not law-abiding citizens according to the submission of counsel? Reply specifically to that so that I can make a good case, a good decision later.
Most obliged, my lord. My lord,
There's already submission on court record. They are stating that they are law-abiding citizens, and they put, maybe if you can refer to what you submitted.
my lord is submitted.
First listen, so let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in support that they are law-abiding citizens. So now you are rebutting it.
That is true.
So rebut it, saying they are not law-abiding citizens. For this matter that you brought, this is because this and this and this, so that we can go together.
Most obliged, my lord. My lord, the reason why I'm saying that they are not law-abiding citizens is the fact that they have various pending charges against them.
So your point is that they cannot be law-abiding citizens when they have pending charges.
Absolutely. But I'm alert to the fact that the law presumes them innocent until proven guilty. Yes.
Kindly proceed.
Most obliged, my lord. My lord, I wish to subsidize that point by referring you to the charges against them. It is within their own affidavits, my lord. The first charges, my lord, were under Massacre CRD 605 of this year.
So you are saying, you are referring to the charges
Yes,
that
my
are
lord.
already with us?
Yes, my lord. And on court record, my lord, I shall not repeat, there are two charges.
Okay.
Then one of Lueng, in which my lord they are applying for this bail. My lord, my and senior brother submitted that the applicants,
On ground number
ground
4.
5,
Ground 4.
ground 4, yes, my lord,
Which
that they
was
have
the-
fixed places of abode.
Is that contested?
My lord, it is contested.
Kind of submitted it.
My brother referred this court to the charge sheet, my lord, that are attached on this file. It is true that is represented there, but that is information given by accused persons to police. Now, court ought to have been availed with the letters from the chairperson introducing them to this court as residents of those particular areas. The mere fact that their places of abode are reflected on the charge sheets is not prima facie that they are residents there, because it is them that provide that to the police.
We have letters from LC. Why don't we jump to that?
My lord, there are no letters from the LC attached to the application.
Forget about that. Let's go to what is with us today.
Yes.
Have you looked at the letters that they have submitted? That is why I want you to